Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ombar HD front and rear dashcam. The 4K front camera captures surprisingly crisp detail of the road air license plates, street signs, even at dusk. The rear camera adds peace of mind for packing or backing up, and combined with the front, it covers a lot more of what happens around the vehicle. The 5G Wi-Fi and built-in GPS let me view footage live from my phone and track speed route if necessary. Night vision and low-light performance are decent. I tested it in some late-night runs, and it was better than many budget dash cams I've used. The setup wasn't flawless. Routing the rear camera's cable requires some planning, and making it look tidy requires patience. The file size for 4K is large, so you'll want a decent memory card. The kit does come with a micro SD card. Depending on your card size, you may have to reformat occasionally due to the frequent overwriting. Overall, if you're looking for a dual-channel dashcam system with strong video quality, good features like Wi-Fi, GPS, and decent value, this Ombar model delivers. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.